Welcome to Commodore Hotel, your invitation to refined hospitality in the heart of Gyeongju-si, where effortless luxury awaits. Scan the QR code in the description to secure your reservation. This four-star sanctuary artfully balances urban convenience with serene sophistication, positioned just 15 kilometers from the city's vibrant center, yet worlds away in atmosphere. From the moment you step into the grand lobby, where sunlight dances across polished surfaces and attentive staff anticipate your every need, you'll understand why discerning travelers return time and again. 276 meticulously appointed rooms and suites offer a symphony of contemporary design and timeless comfort, each space curated to cocoon you in tranquility after days spent exploring ancient temples or attending high-profile meetings. Indulge in mornings that begin with exquisite breakfast selections, evenings unwinding with high-speed Wi-Fi connectivity, and the peace of mind that comes with seamless parking solutions, all hallmarks of the Commodore experience. Families are welcomed with thoughtful accommodations, while the property's proximity to the airport ensures your journey concludes as gracefully as it began. As your stay draws to a close, linger over late checkout until 11 in the morning, savoring every last moment of elevated comfort. Should this portrait of sophistication resonate with your travel aspirations, remember to scan the QR code below to transform anticipation into arrival. Your exceptional escape at Commodore Hotel awaits.